we do things a little bit differently. Now, we do things differently in three really big ways. Number one is that we don't really care for the typical Atlassian or Jira implementation consulting kind of engagement. We actually don't do that at all. If someone comes to us and says, hey, we're looking for a batch of hours or one-off consulting, we say no to that. We actually don't do it at all. We refer someone else. We say it's just not really how we work. The reason we say that is because we want to truly help and impact our clients. And if we cannot do a full discovery, requirements gathering, lay out a full plan, and build POCs before ever touching a production environment and implementation, we will likely not have a very big impact on that particular client and customer. Now, this could be argued, right? It's just the way that we do things internally. It's the way that we've seen has really big impact, and what we've done in the past to make sure that there's no rebuilds, that what we build is actually long-term, is scalable, works well with the company as it grows. It's just what we've seen have the most impact to all of the teams that we've worked with. And that's why we do things that way. That can be argued, right? It's subjective. It's different for every company. But for us, we want to make sure we have the right impact for every company that we personally work with and touch. So all of our engagements start with what we call a Jira strategy. It's always a fixed price. And then we don't do anything in production until the Jira strategy is actually completed. So that's kind of the first big way that we do things a little bit differently. And again, we just literally turn down clients if they're wanting to go straight into implementation, if they want a batch of hours. We don't do any of that. We start with the strategy, we go into implementation, and then in some cases, we'll go into ongoing afterwards. Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the number one reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.